Hello friends, I am here out with a new strategy for how to prepare for accounts paper for Jan 2025 examinations. So we have prepared a 3 month study plan, how to study accounts, how much to study accounts, what way to proceed, which chapters to be done, which sums to be done, how to go ahead and many such things. I'll discuss one by one. बच्चे लोग ये बहुत अच्छी चीज एक मैंने ट्राई की है, एक एफर्ट डाला हुआ है जिससे स्टूडेंट्स अपनी स्टडीज प्लान नहीं कर पाता है कि मैं मेरा अकाउंट सर चालू तो कर चुका हूँ लेकिन खत्म नहीं कर चुका हूँ, या तो सर आधे सम्स हुए आधे बाकी है, मैंने सिलेक्टेड सम्स प्रैक्टिस किए हैं और इंपॉर्टेंट सम्स प्रैक्टिस किए और इजी वाले मैंने गो थ्रू कर लिए, बट गाइज ऐसा नहीं होता है. ऑल सम्स आर इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट, सो लेट्स फोकस ऑन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एंड prepare systematically for our Jan 2025 examinations. Since guys you are giving your examination for the first time, so let's go in a systematic way which will help you to score at least 70% or 70 plus marks in your foundation examination, that is accounts paper. So I'm going to start with the discussion how we have prepared the strategy, how you need to proceed every day, number of hours and many things. And the most important thing, I'm just not talking about accounts, I will discuss relating to subject accounts, but it will not disturb your other subjects also. So all subjects are equally important. I take accounts, so I discuss account strategy, and this strategy has helped students, many students in the past. They have told me, sir, the strategy was very nice, so I thought that I should discuss this with you guys also for the upcoming examinations. But I'll repeat, your other subjects will not get hampered. The other subjects also will go in the same way or the similar way. And now let's start with the strategy which we have prepared. How to plan and study 3 months before the examination. This plan will help you to allocate appropriate hours for each topic. So we have allocated hours for each and every topic, and after each and every topic there are individual units also in that. You know, in module chapter names are given, but besides the name of the chapters, units are given: unit 1, unit 2, unit 3. So for every unit we have discussed, we have allocated reasonable hours. For revision means what you will do apart from you studying in the coaching classes or in the wherever you are studying. Apart from that, what you are supposed to do for yourself: first you are supposed to solve the ICA module problems, then the scanners, that is a past exam questions, model test papers and RTPs. So we have divided the study plan into 3 parts. First part is the study material or the ICI module which you are supposed to solve. Second is the scanners, that is the past exam questions, and third is the MTPs and RTPs, that is model test papers and revision test papers issued by the ICI. So 3 rounds. First is the ICI module, second is scanner, and then the third round is RTPs and MTPs. And RTPs and MTPs, you need to solve the current RTP and the previous 3 attempts need to be reversed. So as far as RTPs and MTPs are concerned, current attempt plus the previous 3 attempts. Everyday account need to be studied for now. This is very important, guys, for you. 3.5 hours, 3.5. Let me be very clear. 3.5 hours is 3.5 hours and not 3 hours 15 minutes. 3.5 hours everyday accounts, and this plan starts from 1st of October. So the October month is just coming within 2-3 days. So मेरा आपसे क्या कहना है, 3.5 hours अकाउंट्स आपको पढ़ना है डेली. अब मेरी बात सुनना, 3.5 hours को भी आप कैसे पढ़ोगे, एक साथ लेके नहीं बैठने के अकाउंट्स. वन राउंड यू sit for 1.5 hour, second round you sit for 2 hours and vice versa. एक साथ नहीं पढ़ना है, क्वालिटी स्टडी होनी चाहिए. कितने सम्स करने हैं वो भी मैंने एलोकेट करके दिया हुआ है चैप्टर वाइज. सुनना मेरी बात, आई हैव एलोकेटेड hours also for each and every chapter and each and every unit after counting each and every chapter sums from the module, from the scanner, from the RTPs and MTPs. So guys, be rest assured, मैं आपके साथ सब कुछ डिस्कस करूंगा, but let me be very clear, 3.5 hours of accounts every day, which will be bifurcated into 1.5 hour and 2 hour session. So let's take example. In the morning you did accounts for 1.5 hour. After that you can study law for 1.5 hour, 2 hours. After that you can take again maths for 2 hours or maybe accounts for 2 hours, then maths. And so what I am trying to say, आपके बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स जरा भी हैम्पर नहीं होंगे. सर तो कितना घंटा पढ़ाई करने का दिन में? So the average is 10 to 12 hours. Minimum 10 hours, maximum 12 hours. So that every subject gets covered. Every subject gets covered. Let's go ahead. So 3.5 hours to score 70 plus marks in the accounts paper, and this really works, guys. Please try it. If you will try, you will get the best results. I am saying at least 70%. All the questions need to be practiced in writing for all the rounds of revision. Now this is a very important line. each and every question you need to solve in writing, not doing orally. Yes, this is this is, don't do like that. ऐसा मत कीजिए, सारे sums solve करके करिए. इससे दो चीजें होगी. फर्स्ट, यू विल गेट द कॉन्फिडेंस. सेकेंड, यू विल कम टू नो हाउ टू प्रेजेंट द क्वेश्चन. यू विल कम टू नो हाउ मच टाइम यू आर टेकिंग. ये सारी चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है वो 3 घंटे में मैनेज करने के लिए गाइज. सो प्लीज सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन इन राइटिंग. एंड लेट मी रिमाइंड यू गाइज और लेट मी टेल यू गाइज, मैंने ये पूरी स्ट्रेटेजी इन राइटिंग कैसे करना है उसके हिसाब से आवर्स एलोकेट किया, उसके हिसाब से ही बनाई गई है. So every sum, if you solve in writing, then also you will be able to complete within 3 months all the 3 parts of the revision. That is, first is ICI module, second is the scanner, and third is the RTP. So all sums to be solved in writing. Round number 1. Now round number 1, guys. It starts from 1st October and it ends on 17th November. Round number 1 is for ICI module, which includes my illustrations as well as practical problems. It starts from 1st October and ends on 17th November. So these are total 48 days, guys. See the efforts we have taken to make you people solve your accounts in a very systematic and easier way. 48 days hote hai pure. Out of this 48 days, Diwali comes in between. So I have kept 2 days buffer because people might study equivalent or people might study less as festivals are there. So considering that, I have taken 48 days. In this you have to study ICI module, illustration plus practical problems. I will repeat again, everything should be in writing with proper formatting. Everything whatever you do in the first time study, same way आपको वैसे ही करना है. Round number 2 from starts from 18 November, ends on 30th December. From 18 November it ends on 30th December. These are 43 days, guys. Here you need to solve the scanner. How many problems are there? Everything I will discuss. How many problems are there? Everything I will discuss. Don't worry. 43 days for the scanner. And round number 3 from 31st December to 5th Jan. Your exams are on 11th or 12th of Jan. Tentatively they will be going to start. So you have 6 days to solve RTP, MTP. And RTP, NTP, as I have discussed, current RTP plus previous 2 attempts or 3 attempts, you can say 3 attempts, right? So previous 3 attempts RTPs and the current RTP. Fine, let's go ahead. Now see the most important part. Allocation of hours for each topic has been covered in the table below. Now, as per the module, I have written the topic name. First is theoretical framework. In this, there are many units: meaning and scope of accounting, accounting concepts and principles and conventions, capital, revenue, expenditure, contingent asset and liabilities, accounting policies, accounting is a measurement, discipline, valuations, accounting estimates, accounting standards. So these are as if accounting standards are not there for you. So these all I am saying, you need to give 5 hours. Just have a reading, just try to understand what the concepts are trying to say and go ahead. Because this is a pure theory chapter. You need to understand the concepts, try to remember the concepts and produce in a similar way or the same way. So 5 hours I have given for these concepts. You manage as much as possible and proceed ahead. So this is round number 1. Round number 1 is ICI module and round number 2 is your scanner. So first you complete round number 1, then you go for the same topic round number 2. Then comes accounting process. Now in this journal, I have allocated 2 hours. See, these are the hours which we have allocated. So considering the ICI module problems, 2 hours for journal and 1.5 hours from scanner, considering the number of problems. Ledger, 2 hours of ICI module, scanner, half an hour. Trial balance, 2 hours from ICI module and 1 hour from scanner. Subsidiary books, 2 hours from ICI module and 1 hour from scanner. Cash book, 3 hours from ICI module and 1 hour from scanner. Rectification of errors, the most important topic, 6 hours from ICI module and 7 hours from scanner. So this completes your chapter number 2. These are the clock hours which you have given for ICI module as well as scanner. Then comes bank reconciliation statement, 5 hours from ICI module and 8 hours from scanner. Inventories, 6 hours from module and 7 hours from scanner. Depreciation, 8 hours for the ICI module and 10 hours for the scanner part. Bills of exchange and promissory notes, 6 hours from the module and 7 hours from the scanner. Preparation of final account of sole proprietor. Now we have units. First is non-manufacturing, then is manufacturing. That is sole trader and manufacturer. Sole trader, 9 hours for the module, 12 hours from the scanner. Non-manufacturing entities, 5 hours from the module, 3 hours from the scanner. Then non-profit organization, that is NPO, 9 hours allocated for ICI module and 12 hours allocated for the scanner. Incomplete records, that is single entry, 11 hours for the module, 12 hours from the scanner. Next, partnership, the most important topic which almost carries 20 marks weightage. Introduction to partnership, unit number 1, 5 hours from the module, 4 hours from the scanner. Goodwill treatment, 5 hours from the module, 2 hours from the scanner. Admission of partner, 9 hours from the module, 12 hours from the scanner. There are many sums from module as well as scanner, so we have allocated proper hours for the same. Retirement of partner, 9 hours from the module, 8 hours from the scanner. Death of partner, 8 hours from the module, 5 hours from the scanner. Dissolution, 8 hours from the module, 5 hours from the scanner. Then comes the most second important topic, company accounts. Again it carries 20 marks weightage. So guys, आपका 40 marks average covers only two topics, that is company accounts and partnership. Introduction to company account, that is basic introduction. You can always study with issue of shares. So issue of shares, 8 hours from the module, 10 hours from the scanner. Issue of debentures, 5 hours from the module, 3 hours from the scanner. Bonus issue and right issue, 5 hours from the module, 3 hours from the scanner. Redemption of preferences, again important guys, 7 hours from the module, 6 hours from the scanner. And redemption of debentures, 6 hours from the module, 7 hours from the scanner. So this comes to 156 hours of your ICA module, which you are going to devote 156 hours guys. The syllabus itself takes 160 to 170 hours to teach for the teacher. I am giving almost equivalent time for you guys to solve each and every problem in writing, and the same almost 148 to 150 hours for solving the scanner problems. So guys, we have prepared a detailed plan. You can see from here, from 1st October till 5th of Jan, till the date of exam, we are going to have a hold on your accounts subject, so that you will not lose the grip, the momentum, and you will be able to score at least 70% marks. This is how we are prepared. Guys, please follow this strategy. It will really help you to score at least 70% marks in examination. I hope it is very clear. Guys, one more thing I would like to tell you. The plan which I have prepared from 1st October till 5th of January, मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना. I have prepared a consistent plan to study only 3.5 hours every day from 1st October till 5th of Jan. So मेरा ये प्लान एकदम स्लो एंड स्टेडी है. आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि फर्स्ट मंथ इनिशियल मंथ्स में 3.5 hours पढ़ना है, फिर नवंबर दिसंबर में 7 hours 8 hours of accounts. Let me be very clear. Every day 3.5 hours will serve your purpose of solving full ICA module, full scanner and the RTPs and MTPs you have mentioned. So इसकी वजह से आपके दूसरे सब्जेक्ट हैम्पर नहीं होंगे. Your other subject also will go at the same pace. And one more thing, the study plan which I have told you initially in my video, that 11 to 12 hours study in a day, out of that 3.5 hours is given to accounts. So that is only 12 hours ka 3.5 is almost 1/3 of the time allotted, or 1/4 of the time allotted, sorry. 3 hours is only almost 1/4 of the time of your day. So guys, please follow this properly. 3.5 hours a day from 1st October till 5th Jan. No need to stretch your accounts time more than this. If you follow 3.5 hours per day, you will be able to solve full ICI problems, that is illustrations plus practicals. Scanners, many problems are there. I have considered everything, all the examples which are given in the scanners plus the illustrations which are given in the scanners, everything I have considered. After that, considering that, we have allocated 156 hours for ICI module and 148 hours for scanner. So guys, start solving accounts, start practicing accounts from 1st October, and 3.5 hours a day, and that also divided into two parts, 1.5 hour one session and 2 hours another session, so that you will not get bored, you will not get stuck up, and quality remains as it is. Thank you very much guys, and all the best for your studies.